In this question, it is given that which of the following rods, each made up of same material and whose ends are maintained at the same temperature, will conduct most heat. So the radius and length are different, so we can write the value of dq by dt is equal to Ka delta T divided by L. So we can write further, this area is nothing but cross-sectional area, which we can take it as pi r square into delta T divided by L. So we can write this dq by dt is directly proportional to r square and inversely proportional to L. Now in each and every question or each and every options, we can check what about the value of dq by dt. So dq by dt in the first situation is directly proportional to, we can take it as r is r naught square and L is L naught. So it is something like r naught square by L naught. And in option B, you can observe that this dq by dt is directly proportional to, the value of r naught is given as something but 2 r naught. So to the r is given as 2 r naught. So the square of that will get us nothing but 4 r naught square divided by L naught. And in the B option, we can write as dq by dt is directly proportional to, instead of r it is given that r naught, and instead of L it is given as nothing but 2 L naught. So it will be r naught square by 2 L naught. And in option D, it is, we can write this dq by dt will be equal to directly proportional to 2r the r naught the whole square, that is 4 r naught square divided by 4 L naught. So that will be directly proportional to r naught square divided by L naught. So if you are comparing these things, we can say that for first one it is r naught square by L naught, for second one it is 4 times of r naught square by L naught, third one is 1 by 2 times of r naught by L naught, and last one it is r naught square by L naught. So they are asking the in which situation we'll have the maximum value or conduct the most. So we can write in this situation dq by dt is maximum. So we can say that this option B is correct.